How to download GarageBand on Android. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to download GarageBand on Android. GarageBand is a digital audio workstation. It essentially turns your device into a recording studio, allowing you to create music or podcasts. So to download GarageBand on Android, first open up your Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, search for the GarageBand application. You'll notice that there's no suggestion for the original GarageBand. This is because GarageBand is currently only available for Apple devices like iPhones and iPads. It's not officially on the Google Play Store for Android. There are many alternatives available. One great alternative is Walkband. Walkband is verified by the Google Play Store and offers similar features to GarageBand. But if you're set on using the original GarageBand, you can easily download it on your Windows PC. If you're still determined to get GarageBand on your Android, there's another way. Exit from the Play Store and open up your browser. Search for GarageBand APK, and you'll find various APK versions of GarageBand. But be careful, these APK files can be risky. They might contain viruses, malware, or even be illegal. We recommend using alternative versions like Walkband or downloading GarageBand on your PC if you really want the original. While you can't get the official GarageBand on Android, there are safe and awesome alternatives waiting for you. And this is how to download GarageBand on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.